Want to open an account with moomoo? Just follow these simple steps. First, download the moomoo app on your phone. You can download the moomoo app on either Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Next, open the moomoo app to register. Tap Get Started and sign up with your Google account, Facebook account, phone number, or email address. Or alternatively, you can sign in with your Apple account. Tap on an Open Account at the top right-hand corner to start opening an account with us. Tap on Next, then select Foreigner residing in Singapore or Others to open an account. Get your passport and proof of address documents ready to set up your account. To protect your account, please set up your password. Enter your email address and tap on Send to receive a verification code. Enter your verification code and tap on Verify. Please provide your phone number to receive important notifications and tap Continue. Key in your basic information and upload your passport photo. Then tap on Next. Upload a selfie, input your address and proof of your address such as documents that include your name and address issued by specific organizations within the last 3 months. Please provide us more details about yourself and your investment experiences. Read, acknowledge, and sign the risk disclosure form, then tap on Submit. Thank you for choosing us. We will set up your account now, which usually happens on the same day but may also take up to 1 to 3 business days. If you have any questions, please email clientservice@futusg.com. Thank you for choosing moomoo.